Hi everyone, I'm Mani Pradeep from NITK. हाँ वही बीच वाला.
Hi, I'm Kravani Raut. I am from mining department in NITK Surathkal.
And our goal is not enough.
Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. Previously, I have uploaded videos regarding 28 IIITs and 31 NITs with their average packages and cutoff. If you didn't watch them, I will upload the links in the IT app. Please go and watch. Coming to this video, this is the second episode of my new series called College Reviews. In this video, I am going to give you the college review of NIT Surathkal. First episode, I have given you college review of NIT Trichy. I will upload that video link in the iCards. Please go and watch. In this episode, I am going to show you three parts. In the first part, I will show you the aerial view, which is the drone shot of the campus. In the second part, I will give you the full details of the campus, wherein fee structure, campus placements, average packages, cutoffs, seat matrix, and the hangout places inside and outside campus, about fest, each and everything related to campus will be shown in the second part. And the third part, which is the most surprising part for each and every one of you, because till date, any of the YouTuber who gives the college reviews didn't show you such things. Before getting into the presentation, please hit the like button to boost me up for more such things. Okay, without taking much time, let's get into the presentation. Coming to second part of the presentation, NIT Surathkal is established in 1960. If you see the rankings of NIT Surathkal, it has ranked 33 in the overall category according to the NIRF and 13 in the engineering category according to the NIRF. According to QS Asia 2020, it has ranked in the range 351 to 400. Then if you see the connectivity, transportation to the campus, nearest bus stand is Mangalore bus stand, which is 22 kilometers away from the campus. One more bus station, which is Udupi bus station, which is 35 kilometers away from the campus. If you talk about the railway station, which is nearest to the campus, Mangalore Central Railway Station, which is 21 kilometers. Mangalore Junction Railway Station, 25 kilometers. Surathkal Railway Station, 4 kilometers. If we talk about the nearest airport to the campus, which is Mangalore Airport, 18 kilometers away from the campus. Modes of admission through JEE Mains, followed by JOSA and CSAT. If you see the courses which are present in the NIT Surathkal: Chemical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Mining Engineering. If you see about the seat matrix, you can see here I have mentioned general neutral, Karnataka home state, and other than Karnataka which other state. I have mentioned both gender neutral and female. Total available seats are 875 seats available for BTech course in NIT Surathkal. Cutoffs, these are also mentioned for general category, gender neutral, home state and other state. If you need category wise cutoffs, I will mention the link in the description where you can check category wise cutoffs. If we talk about the fee structure, institution fees is 62,500 per semester plus 5,000 which is caution money or refundable, which is refundable money, and 9,000 is one time fee. If we see about hostel fees, 16,200 plus 15,000 mess fee per sem. In NIT Surathkal, you can also get scholarship if you belongs to SC, ST or PH category. You will get 100% tuition fee waiver, and if you are a student from OBC or general category with income less than 1 lakh per annum, you can get full remission of the tuition fee. And if your family income is between 1 lakhs to 5 lakhs, you can get 2/3 of the tuition fee as a remission. If we see about the placements in NIT Surathkal, highest package is 42 lakhs per annum. Average overall package 12 lakhs per annum. Average CSE package is 15 lakhs per annum. 42 lakhs per annum offered by DE Shaw. Then 39 lakhs per annum offered by Microsoft, which are the highlights of these placements in 2019. Internships are provided, Career Development Center. Then famous companies which visited for campus placements are Amazon, DSHAS, Deloitte, Goldman Sachs, HSBC, Adobe, Oracle, Dell, Uber, IBM, Samsung and all other major recruiters. These are the statistics of NITK, which NIT Karnataka BTech placement statistics last 5 years. You can see that in blue color, which is showing here, blue color is the eligible candidates for placements, and number of placed is the red color. This is also some statistics about students who got placed and who choose to higher studies. Just check it once. It has a last 3 years statistics in this graph. Coming to infrastructure in NITK, first and most interesting thing about NITK is it has its own beach itself. It has spread across 295 acres. Class, labs and library are spacious and well maintained. Central library has 1.3 lakh books. Central computer center, which is 24/7, it is in the working condition. Then high speed Wi-Fi enabled campus. Talking about sports, cricket, football, badminton, table tennis, volleyball, basketball, even wrestling, gym, squash and international standard swimming pool is available inside the campus. And 2 shopping centers, canteens and cafeteria are also available inside the campus. Medical center is available, ATM, bank, post office inside the campus. Then if you talk about the hostels, there are 12 boys hostels and 5 girls hostels and 1 international hostels. Gender ratio, if you see about gender ratio, girl is to boys is 1:5. Triple sharing rooms in first year. Bed, table, chair, bookshelf, cupboard are available in every room, and rooms are spacious and good enough. High speed internet facility. Common room with an LED TV, table tennis and carom inside the hostels. Student transport facility, laundry service, mess food is okay. Both North Indian and South Indian food is available. No curfew time after first years. Hangout places in the campus: Nandini Milk Parlor and Amul, Nescafe, Fresh and Honest, and more than anything, beach, which is the most lovable part of the NIT Surathkal, which has its own lighthouse. Best hangout place in the campus is beach. Hangout places outside the campus, if you see about the restaurants, Garuda, Bourbon, Red Rock, these are near to the campus itself. If you want movie theaters or any malls, you need to travel 28 kilometers away from the campus, which is Mangalore city. Famous movie theaters in that city are PVR, Cinepolis, Bharat. If you talk about the fests, Incident, Annual Cultural Fest, we see about the clubs: IEEE, Web Club, Flying and Robotic Club, Amateur Astronomy Club, IST, Indian Society of Technical Education, and some other clubs. Curriculum is amazing and updated. Faculty are really good, supportive and highly qualified, mostly PhD holders. Research oriented, lot of sponsored research projects, funds. Attendance is 75% needed for attending the final exams.
Hi everyone, I'm Manipradeep from NITK. हाँ वही बीच वाला.
Hi, I'm Kravni Raut. I am from mining department in NITK Surathkal. I am from Odisha.
So talking about the campus environment is so good and so beautiful. It will be the best ever place you'll ever visit. It is so vast and it has much greenery. It has its own private beach which is known for, and you'll enjoy every sunset over there. And you might go for a walk in the morning even.
NITK is very big, so like it's pretty much full of trees and greenery. So all we can see, it's very, not much polluted because it's in a secluded area in Surathkal. There is a very own NITK Surathkal beach in nearby. It's almost like only 500 meters or 1 kilometer from the main campus. We can anytime go hang out there and it's fun.
Well, talking about the classrooms in NITK, the classrooms are so big and vast, and they'll create an environment to listen to the classes, and there might be some projector issues in the classrooms, but rest is fine.
So first, classes is like now it's online, but classes are pretty much good. Like now there are many different LHC A, LHC B, LHCC. There are many buildings for all the different classes.
So talking about the hostels in NITK, the hostels and rooms are so big and also so vast. They're comfortable, but you need to have a good gang to enjoy in the hostel. The maintenance is good. The water facility and the power is okay. It's not that bad.
So the hostel is good. Like first year you get 3 rooms, like 2 roommates with you. Then gradually it becomes a single room.
Well, coming to the mess food is not that okay. Like you can't expect much from mess. The coconut flour is too much, and maybe sometimes you might like the food, and most of the times you might not. And you have many other options apart from the mess. Like you have Samudra Darshan, the night canteen, which operates till 2 o'clock, and it's the food over there is really good.
Mess food is also very good for girls' hostel.
Well, coming to the Tech Fest in NITK, we have INGI, which happens in October, and you have many worthy seminars happening during the fest, and also many exhibitions. And on the day 4, we have the DJ night, which is really amazing. Talking about the college fest in NITK, we have Incident NITK, which is one of the biggest college fests in India, where people come from all over the world, and the 4 days is really amazing, and you'll cherish the memories all over your life.
Here are very famous Incident Fest. Like there are 2 fests in one year. One is Engineer, which is the Tech Fest, and Incident, which is like it was in March 2020. They call all the popular DJs, music nights, and many much fun stuff was there. So in conclusion, I can say that NITK is one of the most best colleges. It's very good. And here you can also find many good friends, all diversity friends you can find it. So yeah, please do join.
And at last, NITK will teach you more about yourself than anything else in life. That's what I have learned in my first year. Thank you.
I hope every one of you liked the presentation. If you find this as a time-worthy video, please like, share and subscribe. Want to know more college reviews? Stick around, I will give you more. For that you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon. A good set of videos are on your way. See you in the next video with another genuine review of another college. Until then, take care, bye bye.